Hi buds, it's Candy here and I'm going to review the most awaited Alien palette. This is my first review and first everything honestly with my new Canon camera. I'm just trying super hard not to look at the viewfinder, but I'm working on it. This palette right here would not, well, I wouldn't be able to have it without Isaac. Isaac actually gifted me this. Thank you, Isaac. Awesome. I love it so much. I wasn't going to purchase it because I didn't really like the color story. There was a couple colors in there that I did like, and I was like, but I didn't want to buy the full palette. Honestly, I'm so happy it's in my hands. It does come with this big old teardrop mirror, which I appreciate. And then the colors are here and they're gorgeous. They're beautiful. I did use a few of them. I used Alien, which is a great, great, great green. Really metallic. I used Area 51, and I did use a little bit of Phone Home, Flying Saucer, and Abduction, and I used Pluto a little bit on Rebel, which I forgot to mention in the video. Those are the only colors I used. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys and just give it a try, and obviously let you guys see my look here that I created. I hope you guys enjoyed my very first video, and let's get to it. The whole packaging itself needs its own moment. Here, it is, it's like leather, or just, you know, leathery material. The eyes do pop out. Of course, you have seen this many, many times before. So first things first, I do use the Tarte Shape Tape as my base for my eye thing, and then I go all throughout my eyelid. I'm going to take this color from the Alien palette, and this other, I really needed this, a really good, like really good pigmented purple, and I think I found it. So I take my Morphe E18 brush, kind of like down like this, and I am gonna go into Area 51. Do you guys believe in aliens? I think at this point it's not even debatable. I believe we are aliens as well, so if we can, I'm just gonna start before I start going into my theories. Area 51. And then I start to, you know, just kind of pack it. Now what I'm doing is I'm placing the color. I am not swiping yet. I feel like with this you can get more of a color payoff before I just start right away swiping. So first I just kind of pack the color on. Kind of pack it to where up to the crease is and start to pack downward too. Take this, what did I say? Lexi 121 mini brush. I got this in my BoxyCharm video, or BoxyCharm. I barely started, so this is my first month. Enjoy. I got the FX drops and everything. And I'm going into, of course, Abduction right here. And I'm just going to kind of place it on, to the edge of my eyelid and blend it out a little bit. So I start here, and I'm just going to kind of place it. We're not really blending the purple just yet. I'm gonna blend the purple with a different green. So for right now, Abduction's just kind of go on the outskirts of it to just make sure that it peeks through, because Abduction is such a pretty color. And to be quite honest, it's very pigmented. I am very proud of Jeffree Star. His formula has really, really improved over the years. And even so, I'm just so happy for him. What I did get from Lexi as well, this is a 141 mini round. This is what I got in my BoxyCharm video. It doesn't even focus, I don't know. But I am gonna go in with Flying Saucer, and I only bring this in like right up to here. I take a little bit of Area 51 still and make sure that purple does not get lost. So I go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, small, and it gives me enough precision. This is the Morphe M213. Where's it at? There we go. I feel like a real beauty guru. So I go in from the beginning of my eye right here, and I am going to just bloop, 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 slowly but surely go back up. I'm gonna put, as you can see, I put some still purples through it, so I don't really go all the way through since the purple is just in there. But one of my favorite shadows in this palette that actually is awesome possum is Alien. Okay, side note, my favorite eyeshadow in this palette was something unexpected as hell, and it was Probe. Probe is so stunning. I love it. I'm gonna take a Sigma brush. This is an eye shading brush, 155, and I'm gonna go in with the star of the show, Alien. I am going to put some on my brush. What is happening? And use the Mario Badescu. You can use anything. Just kind of like real quick, and then I'm going to place it on my eye. And this is pigmented. I put them on the bottom in the corner because I know I'm gonna put it there. So, Lexi 131 brush, also from my BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna go into Phone Home, which is one of a really good Lil Wayne song. Ha 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 ha. Phone Home. I'm going to just lightly place that here. As you can see, any like pigmented. You can tell there's a chunk of color there. Like it's just so pigmented, but I honestly just use it to hide. Like it's just kind of like a pop, but you can't really tell to blend it a little bit more. But I am gonna put more purple there. Not more, like I'm not gonna place any more. I'm gonna use the leftover of the brush, or what's left over of the brush, and just kind of blend back into this guy. That pink really helps it, the effect of the smokiness come out, you know, because it looks like, oh, the purple smoked out. Just kidding, it's Phone Home. I don't know what I'm about. I did use Area 51 on the bottom as well. Now for my favorite part, is the little glitter on the crease. I do use regular craft brushes for this. Just the super tiniest thing. It almost looks like when Patrick and SpongeBob had to paint Mr. Krabs' walls and used a little nose hair. That's what I use. And the only one product that I used for my eye look that did not include Jeffree Star was the Stila, the glitter shadow in Tulip Twinkle. Got this in the pack right now. It's the perfect chance to do it. Very nice metallic pink. I brought in the line around kind of halfway. Old soft coal pencil eyeliner from Rimmel London, and just white. And I'm just gonna line the bottom lash line, and then put some lashes and eyeliner, and then my whole face, and then I'll be right back. And throughout this whole video I've been raving about it, so honestly you know that I love it already. But yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please excuse my hairy face. If you guys want to see any special effects makeup, please check out my Instagram. See you guys next time.
Flip it so fast, I got gold in my eyes. Flip it so fast.